Hey everyone, today I'm going to make a video on how to clean your OXO containers. One of the things is you can hand wash the container itself, obviously, and the lid. The lid is a little bit tricky, but it's fairly simple. You turn the actual gasket plastic part counterclockwise and it comes right off. There is a little gasket on there, and that is the only piece in the entire OXO assembly that is supposedly dishwasher safe. Then you put your fingers in these little grooves and it pops out, and it's a lot easier to just kind of turn it a little bit and pull it out on the other side as well. And there you have it. So all you have to do is wipe this part down and then hand wash the other parts as well. Now to assemble it, you're going to snap all sides down and then you're going to rotate it to the right clockwise and make sure the gasket is fit. There you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.